Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to install and play the 8-ball pool game in iMessage on iPhone and iPad. Do you want to challenge your friends to a quick game without installing a separate app? Well, it's possible. With 8-ball pool available right inside iMessage, you can turn any chat into a fun pool match on your iPhone and iPad. So whether you are killing time or adding a little competition to your conversations, playing the 8-ball pool game in iMessage is easy, fast, and a lot of fun. That said, let's get started. So, to play the 8-ball pool game in iMessage, you will need to first install the GamePigeon app in iMessage, which works as a game hub in the Apple Messages app. To do so, open any conversation in the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to hit the plus button next to the text field. And then you have to choose the iMessage App Store in the menu. Then you have to search for GamePigeon app and install it. You might need to authenticate with your Face ID or Apple ID password. Make sure to do it. Then you have to hit the plus icon again in your iMessage thread and select GamePigeon app from the list of apps. Then you have to tap on the 8-ball pool game within the GamePigeon app to send the game request to your friend. Now your friend will receive the message and they will have to accept the request to be part of the game. And finally, the game will load in the chat for you both to play turn-based aiming and shooting with your finger. And that's all it takes to install and play the 8-ball pool game in iMessage on your iPhone and iPad. Once perfectly set up, you can start matches instantly and enjoy friendly competition right from your conversation thread. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.